A year ago, I decided to give up 2 hours of sitting time behind my computer and trade it for walking time, deep breathing, listening to scriptures and spiritual podcasts, reaching out to some of my family and friends, as well as just being out here in nature. The benefits have been very rewarding. It has naturally helped me have better focus, better mental clarity, better sleep, better mood, better energy, and definitely better digestion. So what are the docs not telling you? Poor gut health directly affects brain fog, mood, mental clarity, depression, anxiety, hearing loss, hormones, memory loss, weight, energy, autoimmune conditions, and way more. So when you spend your day mostly sedentary and shallow breathing, it takes a toll on your digestion and your gut and your brain. So start walking and you can improve all of these. And most info out there does not tell you that brain fog starts in the gut. Everything that goes into your gut, food and drink, matters. It matters greatly because if you're eating a diet high in processed foods and refined foods, high in sugars and carbs, they actually rot in the gut. And the chemical additions to all of these foods create a cesspool of unhealthy bacteria that your gut cannot reckon with. And this greatly affects your overall health, but especially your brain. However, you are not predisposed to genetic markings. You can change that through your epigenetics, your lifestyle choices. You can choose to stop feeding your gut foods that create toxicity and start supporting your gut and your brain and your whole entire body by feeding your gut food and drinks that nourish and detox. That's the way it should be. Then start walking, deep breathing, and support your body proactively so you can start feeling great again. If you're a woman 50 plus and struggling with brain fog, I created a free gut clarity assessment, which helps identify what may be affecting your focus and energy. Stop guessing. Take the assessment and find the triggers, patterns, and solutions just for you. This is free. Just do it.